Hi everyone, come and join me. Let's draw and color a Blue Oni. First, let's draw the shape of his face. Then, his eyes and nose. His lips and 2 teeth. Look, Blue Oni has opened his eyes. Let's draw his 2 horns on his head. Blue Oni is strong but kind. What do you do to be kind to others? Next, his hair. He has beard. I'm drawing the shape of his body and 2 hands. Blue Oni might look a little scary, but he has a gentle heart. What makes you feel brave when you see something scary? Blue Oni loves making new friends. How do you make new friends? Then, his belt. Next, his pants. Blue Oni has big horns and blue skin. Can you imagine what a Blue Oni looks like? And his toes. We're ready to add colors to Blue Oni. To start with, we have color blue. Then, color brown. Next is color gray. We have glitter yellow. Nice work! Blue Oni looks brave and strong. We hope you enjoy it. Until the next video.